Luca's already picked it up, a little bit of noise of encouragement for him. She's already off. There's one more. Grab it, George. We're nearly there. Put it on the top. Oh, George, put it on the top. George, come on. Surely you can do this. Luca, pick it up and put it on your brace as fast as you can. Come on, George, try and get on. What's going on? What's the problem? Is it not happening? Oh, George. What happened? Oh, you've lost.
Can't get it down.
What went wrong? I'm sorry? You trying to say I cheated? Well, if you wanna come over and tell our bull elephant that, he's 5.5 tons. Well, George, we may have cheated, but it's my game, my rules, and you lost. So if you want to come with me, what about us look at mum? Keep walking. No, don't lie down there, that's where the blood is from yesterday. Get you to lie down just there, mate. Okay, if you want to bring Luca up, now whatever you do, George, don't scream, okay? We don't like it and nobody likes a crybaby. So if you want to come over, ready, George? Best to close your eyes, mate, this may hurt a little bit. Oh, Luca, stretch out. Oh, only joking. Jump up, mate. Give him a round of applause, please, George. You want to give that to Luca, pop it in the end of her trunk. One more, good girl, Luca. Pick this one up then, kid. Good girl. Give her a nice pat in the front of her head. What do you think she feels like? Rough, kind of like a rock with hair, but nice and warm, isn't she? Of course, you still get your prize, George. Give him a round of applause if you want to go with Lee.